Once upon a time in the enchanting land of Whimsyville, a curious little bunny named Sparkle discovered a magical doorway hidden amidst the sunflowers. With a leap of courage, Sparkle hopped through the portal and found herself in a world of talking trees, playful clouds, and rainbow-colored butterflies. Alongside her newfound friends, a wise old owl named Oliver and a mischievous squirrel named Nutmeg, Sparkle embarked on a delightful adventure to save the lost laughter of the Giggle Grove. Facing challenges and learning the power of friendship, they danced through meadows, outsmarted the Tickle Monster, and ultimately restored joy to Whimsyville. As the sun set, Sparkle returned home, cherishing the memories of her whimsical journey and the enduring magic of laughter in her heart. And so, in the glow of moonlight, the tale of Sparkle and her friends became a cherished bedtime story for generations to come.